show you how to play This Guy Is in Love With You by Burt Bacharach. If you want to have the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. This is a beautiful song. Let's start with the introduction because that sets you up for the whole piece. Now, Burt Bacharach did this originally in the key of D flat or C sharp. I'm using C sharp for the letters because it makes more sense because you've got some B chords in there, so it makes more sense with the sharps in there. But so we're working off of C sharp. Now when Herb Alpert played it, he played it in the key of C. So Herb Alpert plays it and sings it, it's in a half step lower, and Burt Bacharach did that in the key of C later in his life. But we'll use C sharp. If somebody needs a key of C, you can let me know. But we start off with C sharp in the bass, and then we're going to an F sharp in the bass, and then a G sharp, C sharp. Now for the chord, we're going to have your C sharp chord is C sharp, F, G sharp, and that's what we're going to play, but G sharp at the bottom. So we're going to go, and we'll have immediately, now to begin with, we only play the bass note once. And then right after that second, you're going to have ba, 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 ba. As soon as you play that second one, you come right up with the F sharp. And for the F sharp, now your F sharp chord is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So we're going to play an F sharp 7, a major 7th chord. So we're going to F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F. So we're going from, and then we're going to go to A sharp, C sharp, F. And we're going to throw in, he throws in that little D, 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 you've got to have that, and don't get in a hurry with this thing. Your tendency will be to rush, so hold it back. And see that G sharp and the D sharp go. Now when he comes in, the vocals come in with there. Okay, it comes in right here on this F, but I'm going to keep the harmony going until right here, and then I'll just play that. So there's this part, and we cut that short and go right into the melody. Now we ought to get into the melody now. We've got that far, we should get into the melody. F, 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 A sharp, A sharp, down an octave, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp. Do it again. Then we go F, 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 G, A sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, B, D sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, D sharp, down D sharp an octave, F, F, D sharp, G sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp. Now sometimes it sounds like he sings a C sharp there, but I always play a D sharp, G sharp, but if you do play a C sharp, it doesn't matter. Then F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and then we're into the second verse, which is the same. Do it again. Do it again. chorus is just F, Again, F, F, G, A flat. Now the only thing is you've got some, so you do have some treble notes in there after the F's. Now what those are C sharp, C, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, E flat, E, F. And then you do it again, and it changes just a little bit. Now it's, you do that C sharp, C, back up to C sharp, C twice. And then down, A sharp, G sharp, and then we just do that. So I'll show you that later on, but you've got your trebles in there, and then F, F, G, A flat, G, F, B flat, G, E flat, and then that last. I'll show you those when we get to them. So now the melody we start with. Now here you start your bass going. Just keeps a pulse. So you get more bass notes in there. Now here we got. There's that fill. Now for that fill, you've got a B chord, and then a B major seventh, so it's all black keys there. So, and then you're just going to alternate down to the G sharp. And then back to... Now here we're going to have F, G, A, and then when we go to the A sharp, now, I'm going to put harmony in here on the top. The melody note is right there, but I'm going to put an A sharp and a C sharp in there. And then I'm going to put an F and a G sharp down here. So what we've got there is we've got an A sharp 7 is what we've got. So let me play it that far from, we've got your introduction. Where the melody starts. Here's some fill. Back to the melody. Fill. Back to the melody. Fill. Now the melody is F, A sharp, A sharp 7, and then we're going to go to a G sharp. And this is going to be a major 7. So G sharp major, G sharp, it's actually a G sharp in there. So you got several notes in. But that's all I'm playing is G sharp, D sharp and F. And then we're going to a C sharp 7 with that B in there. And of course if you add that, you got a ninth in there if you add that D sharp in there, which is in the melody. Then we're going to the F sharp major 7th. And we'll play that twice. And all I'm going to play is F sharp, C and F. F sharp, C sharp and F. So the bass right there will be, let's go through it. We've got A sharp, F and G sharp, G sharp, D sharp and F sharp. Now the G sharp, it'll all be black. Really the only white keys that you have are occasionally an F and occasionally a B. But other than that, you know, once in a while you'll have another one in there. But those are the ones that consistently come in here. But here we've got an A sharp, F and G sharp. So there's your F white note, the G sharp, then G sharp, 2 black notes, D sharp and F sharp. And then you got a C sharp with a G sharp and a B. There's your white note. And then we've got an F sharp with a C sharp and an F. There's your white note, that F key right there, F sharp, C sharp and F. And then we're going to an F with a C, E flat. So we're going to an F sound right there. And then to the A sharp. So we got the A sharp with the F and the G sharp. And then to a D sharp, all black, A sharp and C sharp. D sharp, G sharp. I'm going to go through that slowly so that you can see it. Let's see. G sharp. So we got D sharp, F sharp, C sharp in the melody, and then we're going to a C sharp. Now to the F sharp major 7th. To the F7. Now this is actually an F minor because you got this G sharp here, which if we were in flat keys that would be an A flat. So you've got an F minor 7. How we get? There's your D sharp 7, D sharp, and then it's a G sharp tonality, so I just play a G sharp in the bass. And then we're back into the second verse. Slow that down again so that you can see it. Now we get into the chorus, and this is going to be interesting because you got the only thing that's the same, that melody is do, 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 but you're playing it with the harmony. Hit the F sharp, and then you're going to go. So it's going to be C sharp, C, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, E flat, E. So it'll be. Now I play the second F sharp right there with the G sharp right there. Then we do it again, and your hand has to come down all the way. Now, if you want to play those octaves, you can. You know, you can play. Play octaves you can, but I don't, because it just makes it harder because you're moving from here and then you're going all the way up to there, so it's easier to play an individual note, and I play the high note. Now it's easier for me to start with my ring finger right there and then hit this with the middle finger, then hit those with the middle finger, index finger. That's the easiest way to finger, but if you start off and then you get stuck, and you gotta make your fingers work. But you're going from here. Right back down to the same thing. Now here it changes. You go. Now here you go da 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 da. So you don't do this little. That's all. So you stay up here a little longer. So what I do there is I go. That F sharp comes with the C right there. Now there, you just hold that C sharp and then go to C, B flat, B flat, B flat, and then you're going to an E flat, to an A flat or G sharp. Can't remember how I wrote it in the music, but it's the same thing right there. So let me play it, and then we'll go through that from the chorus. C together, and then you hold the E flat as you play, and all you do is repeat that A flat. So basically we've got a C, and then when we add that, we've got an A flat chord, and we add the G, and we've got an A flat major 7th chord. So you've got the E flat and the C, and then they have a little cadence here, vocal cadence. Now they do a little bit of playing with the piano there behind it, but we can't do that and get the vocal line played. So all I do is play the vocal line. But then I put a chord with it right here. So it's a C sharp major chord. And then we've got a trumpet interlude there. Probably played by Burt Bacharach, but we've got a trumpet interlude, so you'll just play the melody. Now here, you're going to have a break after that lift off it, a little bit of pause, and then. And when you go to that F sharp, so that you show that this isn't still the trumpet, you go down an octave. And then it goes right in. Here I do the same thing. I take this down, back to the trumpet, accompaniment, and back to the trumpet. Here's where the vocals come in. Same as before. Where I think he sings a C sharp, but I play a D sharp. And we're into the chorus, which will lead us to the tag. And this chorus is just the same. So there we do go to the same, and we've got. It's the same thing. And the key is that C sharp is used to doing this now, and you want to do it again. Hold it. That B flat and the E flat go together. And this holds out a little longer, a little more space. This time I don't put a chord in there. I just let the vocal by itself, just the way they do. Space, and then go right back to the trumpet for a tag. And here's the tag. We'll just end it right there on that A sharp major 7. Well, there you have it. Beautiful song by Burt Bacharach. This Guy's in Love with You. Hope you enjoy playing it.